Introducing the iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus, the latest mid-range powerhouse that's set to revolutionize the smartphone market in 2025. If you're a gamer, content creator, or just someone who wants flagship-level performance without paying flagship prices, this could be the phone you've been waiting for. Packed with next-gen hardware, stunning visuals, and smart software features, the iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus brings speed, efficiency, and style together like never before. Let's start with the design and display. The iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus flaunts a bold, futuristic look with a clean matte glass finish and a lightweight yet premium feel in hand. It features a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a blazing fast 144 Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support, ensuring buttery smooth scrolling, fluid animations, and vibrant colors whether you're gaming, watching videos, or just browsing. The bezels are ultra-slim, and the punch-hole camera sits unobtrusively in the center for a truly immersive experience. Under the hood, this beast is powered by the latest Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset, built on a 4nm process, offering a massive leap in power and efficiency over its predecessor. Whether you're playing heavy games like PUBG, Genshin Impact, or Asphalt 9, or editing videos on the go, the iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus delivers seamless performance with zero lags. It's paired with up to 12GB LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring superfast uploading, multitasking, and file transfers. In terms of camera setup, iQOO has really stepped things up. The Z10 Turbo Plus sports a 64MP main sensor with OIS for crystal clear shots, even in low light. It also includes an 8MP ultra-wide lens and a 2MP macro sensor, letting you capture expansive landscapes or intricate close-ups with ease. On the front, a 16MP selfie camera delivers detailed selfies and smooth video calls. AI enhancements ensure your photos are vivid, sharp, and Instagram-ready, and the camera app offers features like Super Night Mode, Portrait, and 4K video recording with EIS support. Battery life is another highlight of this device. The iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus packs a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day of heavy usage gaming, streaming, and multitasking included. And when it's time to charge, the 120W flash charge technology ensures you're back to 100% in under 25 minutes. It's truly a lifesaver for busy users who don't have time to wait around. The phone runs on FunTouch OS 15 based on Android 14, providing a clean and fast software experience with smart customization options, improved privacy features, and minimal bloatware. Gaming tools like GameSpace enhance your experience with features like frame rate monitoring, performance mode, and call blocking during gameplay. On the connectivity side, the iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus comes with Wi-Fi 6, 5G dual SIM support, Bluetooth 5.3, stereo speakers with hi-res audio, NFC, and an in-display fingerprint scanner that's both fast and accurate. Now let's talk about pricing. The iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus is expected to launch at a starting price of around PKR 79,999 in Pakistan or 23,999 Indian rupees in India, depending on the variant. This pricing puts it in direct competition with the likes of the Redmi Note 14 Pro, Realme GT Neo 6 SE, and even the OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, but with its better processor, faster charging, and superior display, the Z10 Turbo Plus stands tall. In this video, we'll show you the unboxing experience, discuss design quality, test gaming performance with popular titles, compare benchmark scores, review camera samples in different lighting conditions, and give you a detailed look at battery charging speeds and heat management. So, is the iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus worth your money in 2025? If you want a fast, future-ready phone that balances performance, visuals, camera, and charging without burning a hole in your wallet, then this device is a top contender. Watch the full video for in-depth analysis and let us know what you think in the comments.